Hello, my name is Ivy and welcome to Shibi Travels. I'm gonna do a hotel review on the Hyatt Regency here in downtown Austin by the Lady Bird Lake. So check out my video and I'll show you everything, all the pros and cons about the Hyatt Regency here in downtown Austin. Catch you later. So the weather today was super bright, sunny, and windy, and my allergies, as you can see, is just kicking up. My right eye is watery, but I wanted to check out the outdoor exterior design and give my comments about it. It has a very boxy design. It's reminiscent of buildings in the 80s. So it has a boxy design. I am not that impressed, but I understand this must have been built in the 80s or late 70s, so I get it. But that's my initial impression of their exterior design and their architecture. And I'm walking a little bit towards this outdoor parking area. It's not connected to the hotel, so you have to ask how much is their day parking, but it's not connected to the hotel. The hotel has its own separate indoor parking building, and I think this is it. The view, this is it. This is all you're gonna see in this side of the exterior hotel. I think their selling point is the Lady Bird Lake view. So let's enter through these automatic double doors into the lobby. And on your right, on my right too, you're gonna see the escalators and this place called Market. It's kind of like a deli mini grocery store. So I'm gonna take you inside. It's also their version of a coffee shop. So people can just sit here, lounge around, drink their coffee. Yeah, so you see chips. I'm going to show you some refrigerators where you can buy sandwiches, salads, and just take, if you want to take it to your room, that's fine. So they, for their hot items, they have flatbread and some ciabatta sandwiches. And here's the cold items, sandwiches. Okay, so that's enough for Market, and let's just go upstairs to the escalator. Okay, we're going up the escalator, and I'm smiling because as you go up the escalator, there's this wonderful light, natural sunlight coming in. So I wasn't impressed with the outdoor exterior design, but this indoor light, it's natural light coming in. It's so beautiful. It's so calming. It's it's wonderful. So it's mesmerizing. So I think I've used up all the adjectives available in Control Shift F7. Now the shape of this sunroom or whatever it is called, I kept wondering. I remember Mrs. Prada of my geometry class. I think that's a rectangle, because a rectangle is anything that has 4 points or 4 corners. So guys, tell me if I got it right. Is it a rectangle? It's not a rhomboid. It's not a rhomboid. Let's go back to the hotel. That's the restaurant, and it's not open. And below is the hotel bar and lobby. I just had a nice lunch there, burger with sweet potato fries. So let's go up to my room and I'll show you the room, and let's walk into the elevator. I need to put in my key card. Check it out. Okay, so we're going into my room. We're gonna check it out together. I was here in my room a few minutes ago. I was in a hurry. I just put in my luggage, so I never really got time to explore. But we're gonna explore my room. It's not that big. It's a small room, but I'm supposed to have a nice view of the lake. I don't know if they gave me that. Okay, just give me a second. I need to put in my key card. And here's my room. You're on your right and my right. On my right is their bathroom. It's very well lit. Okay, I love the lighting. I love the sink. A lot of the sinks these days are like this. I don't know what to call this design. I like that it's very clean. You know, that's very important. They have a bath and tub shower combination, and they have the Pharmacopoeia brand. I like that brand. So I already put some of my stuff inside, but I'll check out the closet. This is their closet. That's a safe. You can put stuff in. They have ironing board. Okay, let me pick up my purse. Okay. Those are mine. The water bottle is mine. That's not complimentary. I already had lunch, and I brought my fries, my sweet potato fries to go. That's not part of the room. So they have a Keurig, okay, nice artwork. And then we're gonna check out the room together. Okay, so obviously it's a double queen size room. Let me turn on the light. They have TV, remote. Okay, so obviously this is not the view. This is hardly the view of the lake. I was supposed to have the view of the lake, but I don't know. It was pretty busy in the lobby. Let's turn on this light. I don't know what it is. Oh, here you go. Ooh, they have those. Let me turn on this light. Okay. Let me turn on this light. Okay. Okay, so that's the bed. Turn on this light. Okay, so now that we've seen the room together, what are my thoughts? Well, let's turn on this light. Ooh. What are my thoughts? I mean, I just checked in today. I checked in a few hours ago. The Hyatt Regency is obviously more of a business hotel. Today they were very busy. There's lots of conferences today. I think there's 3 or 4 groups having, when I say group, I meant corporations, you know, stuff like that. So there's 3 or 4 corporations having their conferences at the same time. So it's a very busy hotel. It's a business hotel. It's not a hotel resort. So everything is functional. Let's turn on more lights. Oh, everything is meant to be functional with a very minimalist aesthetic, right? So yeah, I had lunch at the hotel bar. Oh, that's okay. I had lunch at the hotel bar. The bartender showed me their menu. It was kind of okay, you know. It's very typical American restaurant food: burger, pizza, flatbread. It was okay. I will say though, day one of my stay here, service is excellent. Everyone is so attentive, from the valet to the bell service to the attendants at the lobby. Everyone is very attentive. So yeah, I kind of like it. It is a business hotel, so don't think it's super 5 star. It's a business hotel. It's meant for work, for conferences, for conventions. Okay, I'll be back. Let me go check out the rest of the hotel, and I'll be right back. Bye. Hello. So I just got myself settled in my room, and we're gonna go around the hotel and check things out. I'm gonna take you to the conference areas, and we'll see what it looks like. And my elevator ride is here. So let's see. So we're here in the elevator of the Hyatt Regency. It looks so beautiful at night. It looks beautiful at daytime too, but it really looks beautiful at night with all the lights. Okay, so the second floor is where all the conference centers, all the conference rooms are. Because like I said in my previous, well, not previous, like I said, the Hyatt Regency is more of a business hotel. Look at that. Look at that view behind me. Okay, so we're walking, it's evening, but we're walking towards the 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐫 ballroom, or 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐫 conference area. Okay, so initial impressions of their conference centers, their conference rooms. It's very wide space, but the decor is a little bit outdated. The carpet, I'll show you the carpet. The carpet definitely needs to be updated to a more trendy, a more appealing design. So this is like a dining area for, the conference guests. Sometimes conferences, they have, large buffets for their guests. So this is a great dining area. And I'm gonna give you a different view of the 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐫 Ballroom Conference Center. Okay. So this here behind me is where the 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐫 Ballroom Conference Center is. Yeah, you just need to go down the stairs or the escalators, and then I'm gonna show you the other conference center. So like I mentioned, they're really busy. Well, right now it's evening, but they're really busy. They have, I think, 3 or 4 corporations doing a work event, work conference, convention today, going into the weekend. Okay, so the hotel lobby is that way. So we're going into the hotel lobby. I checked the reviews. It seems like Hyatt Regency is a 4-star hotel. I agree it's a 4-star hotel. The service is impeccable, from the valet to the bell service. to the registration attendant. It's impeccable. I really like their service. I think the only thing that really I would consider a con is the decor, the carpets, the chairs. The overall interior design is outdated. It really screams mid 1990s. But it's well kept, it's clean and tidy, but in terms of decoration and interior design, they might want to think about changing that. Okay. So I am taking you to, so you see, so this here is the Texas ballroom or conference areas. Ta-da! And they have a lovely view. Ta-da! So I'm going down the escalator to check out the rest of the hotel. We're back in the lobby, and I really love the backdrop lighting. Again, that's one of their best selling feature. So I'm checking things out at the lobby, and I'm going to show you some of the amenities that they offer here at the Hyatt Regency in downtown Austin. They do have a concierge service. I just didn't see anybody there. They have this little room that I'm going to show you in a minute, and it has like a mini CVS kiosk. And if you're a business traveler or just a traveler, a regular traveler, and you miss something, you can buy something here in their kiosk. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen so far. I think they have their gym here. I just saw their gym. Okay. Ta-da! Fitness center. Guys, they have a full set of weight rack. Nobody has stolen it. So this is the indoor gym of the Hyatt Regency, and I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed about their fitness center. Oh, they even offer recyclable headphones. I like it. I'm definitely impressed. Okay, I'm trying to look for the pool. Let me ask around where the pool is. Okay, so I just spoke to the attendant at the registration counter, and they said that the the pool is under renovation. So I didn't know what else to do for the remainder of this episode, so I thought I'd go back to the second floor. Look at the design of their ceiling lights. That's pretty cute too. It reminds me of those Arabian Middle Eastern dancers and the clothes they wear. So I'm just gonna take you back to this hallway. Um, so if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on the like and subscribe button. This is my first hotel review, so I want to hear your feedback. Tell me if I'm missing a few things that I should have reviewed on. I guess when I go to a hotel, when I check into a hotel, I'm really more about the design, the ambiance, the amenities, the services of the staff, and they have great. Again, I've said it several times in this episode. They do offer great service from the staff. Um, yeah. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and comments about this. This is my first hotel review, and I wanted to show you the lights, the ceiling light design behind me. Again, it reminds me of the skirt that Middle Eastern women wear when they're dancing and they're shaking their hips like Shakira. Okay? So, so one of the things I wanted to show you was this water fountain for your water bottles. I think it's really neat, so you don't have to bring plastic water bottles like I did. So that's it for today's episode. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Have a nice evening.